What's up, guys? Sean back here again, and today we have a very special phone. This is the latest and greatest offering from Poco right now, which is the Poco F3. It comes with a Snapdragon 870, which is 5G compatible, and this right here is the 6 GB and 128 GB variant in Arctic white. The box itself is pretty standard. You have Poco on the front, Poco on the right and left with this little text here, pretty plain back and plain top, and with it you get a SmartLink warranty for 3 years. Alright, so now let's get into the phone. It's a simple pull-up type of case where once you pull it up you are greeted by the Welcome to the Poco Family card. It's pretty standard. It's a letter from the CEO, from the head of Poco Global, and just welcoming people, whoever buys their Poco phones. It's a nice card. It's definitely something much appreciated to be added. Really makes it feel like Poco itself is a community. Under that you get this pouchlet. Inside you have the SIM ejector tool, and once you open it up you're greeted with stickers. This is a nice touch. You have different Poco stickers and then their logo, everything you need, nothing you don't. But putting that to the side, you get two user manuals, nice chunky manuals. I don't think most people would really need those. Underneath in this little leaflet you get the 3.5 to headphone adapter. You get this because the phone itself does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's set this aside, and underneath that you get a nice clear TPU case. It has a texture inside, but outside it's completely smooth and pretty malleable. So let's put this stuff to the side and let's look at the phone. So you pull out the phone. It has some of its main specs right on top with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 with 5G. You have the 120Hz 6.67-inch AMOLED display. You have Dolby Atmos dual speakers with an X-axis linear motor, and you have a high-resolution 48-megapixel triple camera. And I'd just like to get this out of the way, like right off the bat. The camera is not the main reason for people to be buying this phone. Like, it's mainly the screen, the speakers, and the display and the chipset. So taking this off, the phone already has a few fingerprints and whatnot because I was setting it up earlier. And we take this back sticker off, and this is the phone. These are the stickers. Let's put this to the side for a quick second while we look through what else. It's a small cardboard cutout you put to the side, and you find the 33-watt fast charger with the orange inlets like Poco is doing nowadays, and the charging cable with the same inlets as the charging brick. So let's put this aside and let's power on the phone. Alrighty then, now that we have the phone powered on and all set up, let's just get into a quick camera sample. So let's open up the camera. I'm gonna snap a quick picture of the box, and let's see here. The 5G and everything itself is quite sharp. You can see how the bokeh is coming into play as you move further away with the natural blur because of the large sensor. The colors, I don't think they're coming off quite right in the camera, but on the phone screen the colors look perfectly fine, and it's a good representation of what the box here looks like. But like, other than that, I have the phone set to 120 Hz. It feels really smooth, a lot smoother than any 60 Hz display you're ever going to see. And the AMOLED itself seems like a very high quality one. Coming from a guy who's used Samsung Galaxy S8s, iPhone 11 Pros, and everything, this phone display is really up there as far as quality goes. And I know about some of the issues that people have with the screen dimming when you're really using the phone and everything. And as far as the research I've done, Xiaomi says that they're going to be releasing an OTA update to fix that problem. Other than that, after using the phone for a little bit, it's clear to see that this phone does need a few software updates since it's only sitting on MIUI 12.0.2 compared to my Mi Note 10 Lite's 12.1. And what I noticed when I got the 12.1 update on the Mi Note 10 Lite was a lot of the bugs that early MIUI 12 patches had like 12.0.2 got ironed out, like battery, a few stutters here and there. For example, over here in the Google Discover app, this lags a little bit while scrolling. And this used to do the same on the Note 10 Lite until it got fixed with 12.1. So I'm hoping we see a few updates to really get an idea of what the phone will really be like. But otherwise, this feels so much faster. And I will be doing a camera test and a speed test comparison between this and the Note 10 Lite, so please stay tuned for that. But like, yeah, guys, that's it. Peace.